Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve a particular question related with the derivative of a function. A function is given uh, and we are going to calculate its derivative with respect to the input variable. Please watch this video till the end so that you will get so much information about the sum rules of the derivative as well as how to solve this type of the question. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it. That will motivate me for making such more videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here the question is to find the value of the dy over dx, and the equations for the y is given here. We are going to calculate dy over dx. The equations is given here. Let me write the equations once again. Here the y is given the square root of x plus again square x plus again the square root of x plus square root of x plus, and it is going forever to infinite. There are the so many terms here. We are going to calculate the dy over dx. First of all, let's simplify this. Let's make these expressions simple. Or here the outer root is, here the all the roots are square root. So for eliminating this outer root, let's square on the both side of these equations. So squaring on both side of this equation, both sides of this equation. Let's square on the both side. After squaring on the both side of these equations, this will be the y will be y square is equals to the outer square root will be vanished, and the expression x plus this root square root of this second root will be remain same, x plus the square root of x, and it is going to infinite. Here in this system we just square on the both side of this equation, or this can be for the simplified as y square is equals to x plus, and then this term again recurring here. This term, this is this term under the radical sign, this term is just same as this. This expression is we already supposed is we this is given here the value of the y. This is the value of the y. This is just the value of the y. Or this can be, here we obtain the y square is an equation y square is equals to x plus y. Our target is to find the derivative with respect to x. So differentiate these equations with respect to x. I am going to do uh, the implicit differentiation here without expressing this y in terms of x. Let's differentiate it on the both side. Let's differentiate this equation with respect to x on the both side. Then this will be the expression after differentiating this equation on the both side with respect to x. And let's use the chain rule. Here is the, let's make dy square with respect to dy. Here I divide by the factor dy, so for balancing we have to multiply by dy, it's the same number dy, so that this dy will be cancelled out, and our this expression will be same as the previous expression. Here we just use the chain rule. This is equals to, and the derivative of any variable with respect to the same variable is always 1. Please memorize that. And this is here dy over dx. Here we just use the chain rule. This rule is called as the chain rule. The benefits of this chain rule is we can apply the formula. Let me write the formula here. We have the derivative of x raised to the power of n with respect to x. This has the formula n times x raised to the power n minus 1, and it is valid. it is valid for all the n belongs in the set of the rational number. Please memorize this very important formula. This is very important formula. I am going to use this formula on the left hand side of this equation. Let's use. Here is the same format, so we can apply this formula. Let's apply this. Here the power is 2. 2 times y raised to the power 2 minus 1 gives 1 times just dy over dx is equals to here 1 plus dy over dx. Here in this step we just use the formula for dy square over dy by using this formula. Please memorize this very important formula. Our target is to find the dy over dx, so collecting the like terms here, dy times dy over dx. Let's shift this dy over dx on the right hand side. Let's transpose is negative dy over dx, and the only one is here left. Here we can take the dy over dx is a common. It is present on the both the terms, so after taking the common, the terms will be dy minus 1 is equals to here 1. Therefore the value of the dy over dx is here calculated 1 over, let's transpose this term on the right hand side, just 2y minus 1. Here we finally obtain the result of dy over dx. This is our final answer. Here we first simplify this given equation, and then we differentiate the given the obtained equations by using the concept of the implicit differentiation. This is called this process called as the implicit differentiation. Here we use this formula. This is the whole solutions for this particular question. In our next video we will discuss more about the derivative of a function, special type of the functions. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.